Thank you so much for clicking on this video. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be cleaning my refrigerator today, but before I go ahead and do that, I am just coming into my boys' room and I'm restocking their diapers and their baby wipes and just kind of reorganizing because my youngest son literally goes in there and pulls all the books down and puts them everywhere, and then the dog gets a hold of them and ruins them, like you'll see later on in the clip where I go and just throw them away. Right here in this clip, I'm restocking my oldest son's diapers, and I have been trying to potty train him for maybe like the last month, and it has just not been going good at all. He's gonna be 3 in December, and I don't know if he just is being stubborn or what, but he just refuses to use the potty. He only will pee in the potty maybe like once in the morning and once at night, and I know that even that is good, but he has just been putting up such a big fight with me, and I'm trying to transition so bad to pull-ups, but I'm not going to do it because he keeps having accidents in his pants, and it just makes it harder for me to have to stop and clean up things because he had an accident. So I'd rather just keep him in the diapers. If anyone has any tips on potty training little boys, please drop them in the comments below, DM me, whatever. I need help because I'm so desperate. Moving on to my fridge. My fridge isn't that dirty, but it does have some food here and there, some sticky stuff stuck on the bottom, on like the door part, which you're gonna see right now. I wasn't exactly sure what that was, but I was like, okay, it's time to clean this refrigerator. So I'm just giving you guys a quick overview of what it looked like before I started cleaning and restocking. I'm gonna go grocery shopping after I clean my refrigerator, so it's definitely bare right now, which is just how I like it, because I like to start from like a clean brand new slate when I clean my refrigerator, and then I go to restock it. So it helps me know exactly what I need in the grocery store, because lately I've been having a problem buying double of a lot of things. But when I really think about it, I guess it's not that bad that I'm kind of stocking up on things, considering just everything that's going on in the world right now. I rather be secured and stocked up than be empty and basically left out of things that I need. I definitely been slacking on my produce. Look at that mold on that jalapeno pepper. I always tell my husband that I don't like to buy large quantities of produce at once because it seems to go bad so quick. And I do cook fresh produce mostly every day, but some days like I go like a day or 2 or 3 without using it, and it's like by the time day 3 comes, the produce is like bad, even if I rinse it, if I store it good. So I'm just not that big really on buying a whole bunch of fresh produce. I'd rather just buy it frozen. It's just easier, but you really can't beat that taste of when it's nice and fresh. So it just kind of sucks. It's like a lose-lose situation. I'm doing is basically adding a few drops of Dawn dish soap into a bowl of warm water, and I'm going to use that to basically soak all this crap out of my fridge and use my scrubber. I went ahead and I started pulling all of my drawers out from the refrigerator, and I'm just going to rinse them down again with some Dawn soap and the scrubber and just kind of let them dry a little bit before I put them back in. I do lay some towels down on the ground because they're so big and bulky. They don't fit up on my island, and I have food on the other part of my island by my stove, so I just lay them on the towel on the floor and let them dry while I finish cleaning the refrigerator. Now that I finished cleaning out the pockets on the side door, I'm going to go ahead and spray down the glass shelves and kind of wipe the sides of the refrigerator and start wrapping it up pretty much. Since this area was probably the most dirty part of the refrigerator, I made sure that I wiped it down really good. It seems like this area is the collect all in the refrigerator.
Can you be cold-hearted when you got that fire burning up and
refrigerator all sparkling, all clean, nice and wiped down. I am going to go ahead and restock it with the stuff that I have. I'm just going to try and make it a little bit more organized and group things together better, but my camera actually ended up dying, so I wasn't able to record me actually like putting things back and grouping them together. But here is the after, and for some reason the light in my refrigerator stopped working. That's why I tapped it, and I was trying to see what was wrong. I don't know what happened, so now I might have to call maintenance because it's not coming back on. It's a day after that I'm doing this voiceover, and the freezer isn't working as well, the light. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down the stainless steel, get it all shiny, looking real good. Since I cleaned the inside, I might as well just do the outside too, right? This wraps up today's video. I'm just gonna put my clipboard back up here and start writing down the groceries that I need. But thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.